Welcome to another Foodie Friday. Hey, I got a couple of magic helpers here. If you're a fan of spinach dip, that's what we're gonna make. It's one of my favorites and it is super, super easy. Check out these ingredients. First of all, we have spinach. I use frozen spinach and they come in these little cubes, so they're about an ounce a piece. I'm gonna use about 10 of them, 10 ounces. Microwave them for 2 minutes and then drain them really well. You don't want your spinach dip to be really soggy. Then we have some water chestnuts. These are sliced, but we're gonna actually slice them even more. And we have sour cream. We have vegetable soup mix. This happens to be 40 grams. We're gonna use about half. It takes about 20 to 27 grams. And a cutting board. Yes, we're not gonna eat that, but we're gonna use that. And mayonnaise, and our final thing? Bread, sourdough is the best. I think that's the choice for us. And a bowl. Let's get started. Okay, we are gonna start with 1 cup of sour cream.
That's Brooklyn.
All right, we're gonna put that in a bowl. Next one is 1 cup mayonnaise. It sure is nice having these little helpers around. Makes things a lot easier. All right, we're gonna take about a half of a package of vegetable soup mix. There we go.
Do you like my shoes?
Your shoes are very pretty. They're high heels. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, we are gonna add in our chopped water chestnuts. That's gonna add some nice crunch to it. Just pour it all in, Brooklyn. Pour the whole thing in. Does that look good yet?
Does that taste good?
Of course.
But does it taste good, everyone?
So once it's all stirred up, put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 1 or 2 hours to let all those flavors get together. Okay, so for the sourdough, what I like to do, I like to use it as the actual bowl. So we're gonna basically cut the top off. Like so. So there's the top, and we'll cut that up. And for the inside, we are gonna hollow it out. So just take your fingers and just work around it all the way to the bottom. There you go, it's all hollowed out. You have a big chunk of sourdough bread or meat, and you can cut this or you can just tear it, just like that. And we're gonna put that on a plate, and then we're gonna take our top, and we can cut that into strips. Now, if you don't have enough bread, of course you could add more. It doesn't have to be sourdough, but this is good for a presentation. Now we have our bowl, we have our chilled spinach dip mix, and we're just gonna put that right into our sourdough bowl. Hey, look at that. This is delish, this stuff. All right. Only one last thing to do. Where's my little helpers?
Yummy! That looks yummy!
It looks yummy, and you can present it like this with the top piece. You can have it on the side if you want, or you can, if you kept it all together, you can actually place it right on top, just like that. Now people just have to take a piece out and do a dip, and maybe add a spoon there for people to scoop some onto a plate. One last thing is we need to taste it. All right. You don't like spinach? What are you talking about? All right.
Spinach is healthy.
Spinach is healthy.
I know, but I don't like it.
Here you go, little one. Look at this. So good. Thanks for watching and see you next Friday.